You see people laying in the street, dying of hunger. That's why I went.
You've got entire neighborhoods just absolutely flattened.
This thing is a complete disaster. This thing just taken in a second, and then everyone was having death left and right.
Please just give me chance.
She lost her mother and her kids.
MIA, missing in action. The government is nowhere.
None of us is getting any aid, and we're not living in the mountain or in the countryside.
Là, nous avons besoin de discipline, sagesse. C'est ça nous avons besoin.
There's an infant that has that's died here in the camp. They want $250 US for a deposit because people have left their children and just disappeared, gone home. Tell them no. Tell them I'll give them $50 US. Bon, you're being disrespectful. Let's take care of the child first.
The absolute resilience of the Haitian people has just been amazing.
With no doubts, if this is not the worst, it's one of the worst disasters that we have ever seen.
The people from Haiti need help.
We can't talk about future now. We can talk about survival.
5 people died. 1 friend and 5 people. My nephew, my niece, my nephew.
There's so many needs, and if we can make a difference in 1 or 2 lives, it'll be incredible.
They are recovering from their sadness. You look at their faces, and their faces say everything.